Welcome to the Keyword Clusterizer version 2. You will now be able to choose the metrics you want to be included into your keyword clusters. One of the key enhancements in version 2 is the introduction of a mapping step. Using the sheet called Master Sheet, you can now select any metric you want to be seen alongside your clustered keywords. Now, Google Ads experts are able to cluster any metric found in Google Ads or Google Analytics. This allows users to cluster their keywords combined with metrics such as search terms, conversions, or cost. Similarly, SEO experts can cluster any metric from their preferred data source. This allows users to cluster metrics such as intent, URLs, keyword difficulty, titles, and meta descriptions. Okay, so let's jump in. As in previous versions, we have to start with importing data sheets from your favorite keyword tools. You can import any metrics from any source. Moz, SEMrush, Keyword Tool, Search Console, Keyword Finder, WordStream, Google Ads, or Google Analytics. We would recommend that you input each data sheet in its own individual tab. Once you have your data, you can click Run Clusterizer to go to the new mapping step. First, you will get a pop-up message when your data master sheet is ready. The mapping step in the Keyword Clusterizer involves assigning relevant metrics to your keywords. After your first run, you will find a new tab automatically created that is called Data Master Sheet. Here, you can find all of the metrics found from multiple data sheets in one place. Every metric found in your data sheets will be displayed in the columns to the right. There are 3 different kinds of metrics we need to label in the top row. The Clusterizer will algorithmically pre-label metrics for you, but are modifiable and ready for you to choose the metrics you want clustered into the Keyword Clusterizer. These metrics are also dynamic and will change color formatting when making changes. To select different metrics, just choose one of the options in the column header. First, we have to identify our keyword data, which is mandatory to cluster keywords. This column contains the keywords or search terms that you have selected for analysis. It serves as the primary input for the clusterizer. Second, we have to choose a volume metric, typically impressions, clicks, search volume, or even revenue. Basically, any metric that you can sum up. This will be used by the Keyword Clusterizer to sort your clusters in ascending order according to this metric. Note, this is optional. If you do not select any volume metric, a value of 0 will be assigned to all of the keywords. Thirdly, we have an extra metric for any other extra metric we want to be clustered. There is a maximum of 5 additional metrics that can be chosen. These extra metrics can be basically anything you want: intent, backlinks, URLs, or keyword difficulty. It does not even have to be a numerical value. Any metric labeled skip will not be included in your clustering. Okay. So we are now ready for clustering. Once you have chosen your metrics and you're ready to go, you can rerun the clusterizer. And in just a few moments, your keywords and metrics will be placed in the hot tab, ready for your sorting and organizing. An additional feature is that we are able to modify these metrics at any time. You can revisit the mapping step to modify or update the metrics associated with your keywords. All of your keyword sorting and organizing will not change. You can simply modify the metrics to be reintroduced on already clustered keywords. Please note that the only metric that cannot be changed after clustering is the keyword metric, as it is the primary input for the clusterizer. If you did want to change this metric, you would have to make a new Google Sheet. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, feel free to leave us a comment below.